Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'd like to make nibbles by using this ingredient, watercress. And here is the booze for today. A beer called Infinity from Uchu Brewing. Uchu means the universe. And now, let's try this beer to decide what kind of things to make. This mysterious beer Infinity is style called Imperial IPA, which is more hops than regular IPA, and it has a 8% alcohol content. Uchu Brewing, located in Yamanashi Prefecture, has its roots in agriculture, and they are making beer with sustainable way. And here's the description of beer. Between the black hole and the white hole, complete infinity is there. We are the infinity. You are the universe. I can't imagine what it tastes like, but I'm tremendously attracted to it. It's quite hazy and it feels thick. Let's check it out. So good. What is this? A citrus and mango flavor exploded in my mouth, and I couldn't think of for a moment. Is this the universe? Now let's make something. That beer has so many different flavors that it can be completed with just that beer. And it seems difficult to make nibbles. Let's make something that makes the most of the fruitness and the bitterness. Alright, let's use them today. So, today's ingredients are watercress, onions, tuna, looking really beautiful, and soup stock. For now, I soaked kelp to water. This time I'd like to make a tuna cutlet with watercress sauce. So first, heat the soup stock. And meanwhile, season the tuna with salt and pepper. You can get extra water out of the tuna by pre-salting it. Take the kelp before the soup stock boils. It kills the bitterness coming out from the kelp. And when it boils, turn off the heat and add bonito flakes. When bonito flakes is boiled, it kills an unfavorable taste and the aroma is lost. After leaving it for about 5 minutes, separate the stock out from bonito flakes. If you can get clear soup without turbidity, that's the best. You can eat bonito and the kelp without waste by taking the second dashi stock, or stir frying bonito flakes with seasonings, or cutting kelp and simmering it. Yeah, I got a beautiful soup stock. Let's get the veggies. Vegetables will be used as a sauce later, so you don't have to worry about the thinness of the onions. And next, watercress. Separate the stem and the leaves. Then, I will deep fry the vegetables. Put the oil in a pan and preheat to 160 degrees. This is for cooking the vegetables, but by deep frying them, I can make a rich sauce with just the veggies. Touch the onion with chopsticks and like they're soft. Then, take them out. Next, deep fry the watercress by 170 degrees, and then put it in from the stems, which is difficult to cook. After a while, add the leaves. Let's take it out when the watercress is soft. That hasn't forgotten the crispness of those days. The bright green of watercress will be the key to this sauce, so I'm glad it went up well. Then I would like to make this into sauce with blender. Let's go. First, put the vegetables in a blender. Then add the soup stock. And a little bit of soy sauce. It has to be a little so that I can adjust later. And add the little meating and turn it on. From here, tasting is essential for fine-tuning the taste and the viscosity of the sauce. If you add too much salt, you cannot adjust the taste anymore. But if you add a little salt, you still can adjust. Add the soup stock to adjust the viscosity. A bright green sauce was done like this. I made little too much, I guess. Next, prepare for tuna cutlet. Put flour, eggs, breadcrumbs in this order. Okay, let's fry it up. To make the inside rare, put it in oil preheated to high temperature of 180 degrees. If the surface is brown, turn it over. If you think it looks good, take it out. Okay, let's cut this beautiful cutlet. There is no better sound than this sound. The cross section is rare like this. Let's serve it on a plate. This time, the sauce is the main, so bring it on a plate nicely so that it stands out. And that's it. Okay, prepare my beer. I've been thinking about drinking this beer while I'm cooking. And now I finally can drink it. Yes! I love this turbidity. I personally like hazy beer that I can't see the beer on the other side from the beer glass when I pour the beer. Yeah, I know, you guys don't care. Well then, dip the sauce. And beer. Needless to say, but let me tell ya, it's really good. The combination of watercress sauce and the tuna cutlet is outstanding, and the compatibility with this beer is freaking me out. The unique bitterness of watercress and the fruity bitterness of this beer's hop go hand in hand. The sourness of beer and the cutlet go well together. The tuna cutlet outside is so crispy, and the inside is rare, so it has a pleasant texture. Because of deep frying the veggies in advance and adding soup stock, the sauce is so rich and delicious that I can drink itself. It was really good. I finished them all. So I'm just gonna go in to enjoy this beer because tonight was just started. See you soon.